Hey guys, today we're here with JT Wheelies.
Yep.
On his SoCal Flyer. Is that a good bike?
People say it's trash, but I think they're good.
Yeah. What do you think about the Blocks Flyer?
I think Blocks Flyers are mint.
Yeah, I think SoCal Flyer's a mint.
Especially that colour too.
Yeah. Especially your colour. I love the orange. It reminds me of the General Lee.
Of a what? Oh, generally.
Yeah, Dodge Charger. All right. So let's get straight into the videos. We're gonna be just doing some wheelies and having some fun, eh?
Yeah, having some fun around the beachfront.
Yeah. Make sure to go sub to Mamu Rides and JT Wheelies.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. Can you wheelie that thing? Yeah, oi! So tell us about the Mafia seat.
So I found it on AliExpress. It was like 45 bucks AUD. And I'm pretty sure it came from China, probably. It's pretty soft, but it's going to suck in the rain.
Yeah.
So that's why I won't ride it in the rain.
You know what you could have gotten? You could have gotten a ride-out supply seat.
That was like $100 one of them.
Was
Plus,
it?
they didn't have it in orange colour.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, so ride-out supply stuff isn't cheap.
Yeah.
Like these bands, I think they were like 20 bucks.
Yeah, I just got a pack of pack for $5, and I got.
But that's the thing. I would have not known what colour it came with.
Yeah, I got a I Love Hot Bikes one with it.
Yeah, I wanted to turn up the front.
So yeah, that's about the Mafia seat, guys.
Yeah, it looks cool, right?
Yeah.
Most of the colours are sold out.
Yeah. Like that. Oh, my bad. I was in the way.